how to enable NSFW content on Discord. So if you want to enable NSFW content on your Discord, then what you need to do is first open up your Discord application, go and log in. Once you've logged into your account, you will enter this kind of page. Now at the bottom, you'll find the settings icon, or go with your profile, which is on the bottom right, and go with the top right, which has that settings icon, and you'll get this kind of interface. Now navigate to the option of privacy and safety, or go with content and social. And here if you scroll down, then you will have an option of enable age restricted command. So in order to enable the NSFW content, you need to turn on the option of enable age restricted commands, which will allow people 18 plus to access commands marked as age restricted in the end. And so we just go and turn it on, and in this way you'll be able to enable NSFW content on your Discord. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.